Please read the disclaimer. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, money makers. I want to talk to you guys about XRP, about Bitcoin and a McDonald surprise that interestingly has been very, very good for the crypto market. You might be saying McDonald's, crypto, what is the what is the ratio there? Why is it connected? You'll understand soon. We'll talk about the government shutdown that is getting inches away, closer and closer to reopening what the markets have been waiting and anticipating for. All I ask from you is that you give me a beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. Smishity smash that like button. Let's try to get 1,000 likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. I'm going to check my messages 1 second while you're doing it. Okay, let's get into it. Currently, XRP is sitting at $2.46. XRP is actually down -2.5% on the day after we had XRP move big yesterday. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback. It's not just XRP. You can see it started in the about 5:30 a.m. my time. So what's that? -7. About 10:30 Eastern time yesterday, we saw this sell-off on Bitcoin, and this affected the whole crypto market. You can see here they all did the same action, the same movements, right? They all the crypto market pulled back there, right? So it wasn't just XRP, but XRP, as it did go up big yesterday, is pulling back a little bit more, right? 2.5%, whereas Ethereum is even in the green a little bit since 3 a.m., right? 3 a.m. GMT time is when the graph turns to everything recalibrates to zero. So that's why it looks like it's a little bit up today. But for the most part, you can see here on the watch list, everything's red outside of Ethereum and Bitcoin dominates. But things are, you can see lots of red here today, one or two that are in the green, maybe some small, but for the most part, most assets are in the red today. After yesterday was a mixed day, right? XRP was good, but the general crypto market was a bit mixed yesterday. So it will be very interesting to see where the market goes from here. Now, if you are interested, we do have a new partner on the channel, BYDFI. I have started using the platform, and I got to tell you, it's moving very smoothly. It's moving very fast. We do have a new promotion with them for users that are signing up, right? You can see the promotion in the Telegram group, right? I posted there. So we have these really amazing bonuses for people signing up and depositing, and the whale traders not only will get these amazing bonuses, but will also get access to a special VIP group inside the Discord with access to chat with me and with a representative from BYDFI. So a liaison that is going to be with us. And you can see this is get access to the group. The regular Moneymaker VIP regular channel is open to everybody, right? You don't need a special access, but there is going to be a special VIP group for people that want that access. And so we're going to be opening that. I will get a commission if you do use my link and trade. So please trade responsibly. The market there's always opportunities right now. You can go long, you can go short, whatever your heart desires, but please trade responsibly. Okay. We've seen the market go a little bit bananas sometimes, and you need to know the risks and rewards of trading with leverage. So if you are interested, a link is in the description down below. Again, it is an affiliate link. It is a partnership, so I will get a commission. So thank you for that. And the regular Telegram group is open to everybody. I just want to emphasize, and I'm going to emphasize it also in the group, there's a few fake profiles out there, and there's a fake group. I posted about it. That is not me. I am only in this group. I am not DMing you. I'm not asking you to do weird trades and all kinds of things. There's a group Don't look for it, but they're doing all kinds of weird shenanigans. So I'm just concerned that because I opened this up, there's going to be imposters. I'm reporting it to Telegram. Until now, I haven't got a response. Usually on X, for example, by a day later, they give you a response. Telegram, not yet. So we're going to try to shut the other imposters down. Again, if not, I'll keep warning about this, okay? Because it's very, very important. We don't want anybody interacting with these imposters, okay? And getting into weird stuff that they're trying to give to people. So just be very careful out there, okay? So the government shutdown seems to be very close to completion. The U.S. Senate has approved the bill to end the government shutdown. It now heads for the House for the final approval, right? And so we're getting closer and closer as the day go by. You can see here even on Yahoo. Wait, where did it go? There was an article before, and it disappeared. Technical difficulty time, right? It was about the government shutdown. But anyway, the government shutdown is getting closer and closer to ending. And it will be very interesting to see how the market reacts once it's over. Again, we've talked about this, how historically markets have done good after the government reopens, the US government. It does not mean that for sure we're going to see the markets go bananas, right? What happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen in the future. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Very, very important. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, okay? Please do your own due diligence. Very, very important, okay? And so we'll see. We'll see what will happen. Another huge thing coming out of the Senate committee finally released the long-awaited draft of the crypto market structure bill. The bill set to overhaul how Bitcoin and crypto are regulated is expected to pass by the end of the year. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the Clarity Act. That's what they're calling it, right? But maybe this is something else. But anywho, even if this is the Clarity Act or it's something, it sounds like it's a Clarity Act. But even if it's not something, even if it's something else, right, that's even better because then we get clarity and this new act. But I think it's the clarity. And so this is going to, again, give more clearness, right, clarity on the crypto market. And when you have clarity, investors are more confident. That's just how it is, right? Why does uncertainty create fear, create sell-offs? Because we don't know what's going to happen, right? But if you have confidence, right, if you have, confidence, right, that's the word, in an asset. And the good news, like let's say just a company, it's saying, oh, we're 6 months, a year into the future, we got lots of orders, right? So you're going to have confidence in that company. But if the company says, well, we don't know, maybe next year, a lot of our clients have fallen off, right? So that's going to create fear. It creates uncertainty. You don't know what's going to happen. And that's usually when there's a pre-sell, right? Or a pre-buy, right? So that's very, very important. And usually what happens with the markets is that they are about 6 months into the future already looking at what could potentially happen. We've seen that in the past. Again, it doesn't mean that it will happen in the future, but many times when it looks like, oh, the fear is the greatest and it's things are looking very bleak, that's usually when the big money starts coming in. Once it sees that potentially like the numbers are starting to get a little bit better, that's usually when they come in, but the fear is still great in that zone. Again, it doesn't mean that this time or the crypto market will act in the same way. This is just things that I have learned from the markets in the past, and this is just my experience and what I see and what I am doing, okay? So that is going to be very interesting. Now, what is this big indicator that everybody is so excited about? So I don't know if you heard, right? I don't really eat at this establishment, but my kids like it. McDonald's just announced that it is bringing back the McRib for a limited time on November 11th in the US. I have never eaten a McRib. Let me know in the comment section, people that have, is it tasty, right? Is it worth the hoopla? And why don't they make it available all the time if it's so good? I get the allure of it, right? But if you have something that people really want, why bring it, on and off? I don't know. But every single time that the McRib has returns in the past 5 years, the crypto market has, or Bitcoin and crypto following, has gone on a nice run. It went in 2021, it went up. In 2024, it came back. And then it came back in early 2025, and now it's coming back again. So is the McRib, right? The catalyst for for the bull market to be back. And even Coinbase tweeted about this. McRib is back, and McDonald's, this tis the season. So people are getting excited about the McRib and how potentially it could affect the crypto markets in the medium to long term. So we will see if that is actually a thing, if this time it will act the same. Okay, don't forget to check out the links in the description down below. You can sign up to BYDFI through my website here, right? You go and you see my beautiful face, and then you go down here and you click on this button here, and you can sign up to BYDFI, and then you can get access to that special whale group if you qualify. Okay, and there we're going to have what I'm doing, what I'm feeling, more of a back and forth, and that's going to be for the VIPs, okay? So check that link out in the description down below, and it's okay if you just want to join the regular group and get the updates, the special extra stuff there as well. That's a possibility as well. So check that out in the description down below. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Remember that I will never contact you on social media asking you to sign up to anything or to send me any money, okay? Those are imposters. Please be very careful, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. And like I always say, no, I forgot. It's because of the situation. I decided, people have been asking me about that. We don't know. So I decided to put it on hold for a while, okay? We'll see. Maybe we'll bring it back in the future, okay? I'll see you later.